this is a shopping complex. This is how a shopping complex is. Yeah, and these are the dimensions, and this is a 35 by 16 plan. This is the entrance. This is where the car park is in case you want to drop goods and stuff. Then here is a little passage 960. This is a passage for where in case you want to go to the other side, and you can also pass in case you want to park for people that have shops on this side. This is the shop. This is another shop here, and this is the male toilet, and this is the female toilet. This is a passage. There's a shop here also. A shop here, and this is where the step. This is where the step links to. Let's go to the first floor plan. This is the first floor plan now. Also, it's actually the replica of the ground floor plan, only little changes made to it. As you can see, when you land here, there's a passage here, and there's the same shops that were on the ground floor plan, and the same shops that are on the first floor plan. Okay, and also the same passage linked there. There's a shop here. There's also a female toilet by the left hand side, and the male toilet by the right hand side. And this is the manager office. The manager office has his own toilet. It's a little small, but I try to manage space and stuff. And there's a passage here. As you can see, there's a passage here. So this is just a shopping complex idea. You might have in mind if you want to build something like this, or you want to know how a shopping complex looks like. This is it, and that is all I want to show you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and comment, like my video for more plans and tutorials on drawing plans and stuff. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial video. Thank you.